Kusangpo, welcome back to my channel Travel and Food with Kesang, and I am here to share with you how to make the super easy delicious Kewa Datshi. Ingredients: potato. I have taken some green garlic, green chilies, tomato, and I'm going to be use some green peas, of course salt, and a little bit of oil, and okay, add all the ingredients. Cut your potatoes into thick slice. Add your peas, salt, a little bit of oil, water, okay, cover and cook for 7 to 8 minutes.
Add cheese, add garlic leaves, or you can use chives also. Cover and let the cheese melt for 1 or 2 minutes, and your Kewa Datshi is ready. Turn off the heat, give a nice stir, and taste salt, and enjoy with your rice or any choice of your carbs.